I'm bearing gifts. Ta-da.
Oh, yes.
I'm pretty sure my lights work fine, so...
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
That's quite alright.
So, yep, that's what I'm trying to sort today. Okay. Definitely got some leaking going on. That side. Focus, you motherfucker.
12 seconds later.
That side not so bad, a little bit at the bottom, but this one. Jesus Christ.
How to stick a sticker. Right. Align complete taking no dimension. You take the masking tape to the corners and centre line.
Before I do that,
Yeah.
I've got an open downpipe. Oh. How long do you think it's going to take for my dad to run out and be like, stop that fucking noise?
5, 6 seconds. Oh Christ. Here we go. Out gear again.
Oh my god.
So straight pipe, yeah?
Yes. Great success.
Too much focus, can't do it. Fuck off.
Focus,
I know.
focus.
I know. What I would do if I were you,
So I might do is get a bit of
what I
call it.
what I did with
Might
mine
scrape that up a bit.
is I cleaned up the ends,
Yeah, just a bit.
put some gun gum on both ends, put the gasket on, and then put gun gum on the gasket as well, then put the whole lot together, pinch it up and then fucking do the outsides.
Okay.
Then you get the whole lot, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
I almost have an S down.
Woo! Don't know how recommended this is, fucking sandpaper and gaskets, but probably get some gloves. Come on, you fucker. I need some more washers. Ah, fuck! Clonked my fucking head on the jack. I never learn. Almost dropped a half-inch socket on my face.
Yeah, see, that's much better, because that shouldn't blow now.
I fucking hope not. And then once I've tightened it up as well, I'll slather even more on.
Yeah. What I'd be tempted to do as well, mate, if you can resist,
Not drive it until tomorrow.
don't drive it till tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then give it a good, just give it a good run. You know, don't boot it, but just let it get up to temperature.
Yeah.
And you'll find it will do quite a good job. Because that's pretty much the same as what I've done with mine.
Just trying to pinch them off evenly as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice to see that you're getting the tricks of the trade. I've got the Speed Hunter sticker on.
Oh, brilliant. You can take the camera if you want.
Yeah. Thank you very much, mate. Speed Hunters. And now I've got to do the same again. But I don't know if it's going to be easier or harder. That's the thing. There we are.
There you are.
That's all right.
Alright. Focus.
Eventually.
Okay. Can't even tell where it starts and begins. But if this fucking leaks tomorrow, I might actually cry. Well, I do that every day. Can't really see much up there or anything. No. Gummylicious. Please pass emissions.
Right, so that's what I've got so far. Hopefully that's not too pissed. If I hold that. And that was my mating call.
Okay, so camera went off for a bit because it started raining, but it's been curing now for half an hour or so.
Yeah.
So, not going to give it any revs, just see if it sounds like it's leaking.
The moment true.
Sounds nowhere near as leaky.
Yeah.
Alright. like that. Cool. Ta-da! It's not really picking up on the camera.
I was going to say, you need to be in the right light, don't you?
Yeah. So, Speed Hunters one's gone on perfectly. And the custom diode one's a bit... We think will be fine once it's dried, but just... So there's a little bit sticking up there. Come on, focus. A little bit sticking up there, and a couple little bits on this T.
Yeah,
but
it'll be interesting.
Hopefully, we're just going to keep trying to push it down as it's drying, and I think it should be fine.
I don't think it helps. It's so bloody cold out. You know, if it was summer,
Yeah.
it would last a while, or it'd stick down quicker. We'll see. We'll see what it does.
Yeah.
Oh, can I get the roof spoiler?
Yeah, of course. This is not a dead body.
I promise.
I promise nothing it might be.
You can't see that it says Speed Hunters. Shit.
Oh, and how long did you spend getting Speed Hunters one on? Like half an hour?
What a dickhead.
Just want to get a side shot of it when it's... God, it looks so smart. Gorgeous.
Mate, the amount of times I've done that is unreal. That fiddly little bugger right in the corner.
So...
There you go, it's the old one.
This right?
Yeah. Oh no, it's not bad. It's just it's pre-facelift, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is cheeky
How
little
professionals do it.
cheeky little bodge.
Just
If duct tape
hold
doesn't
it in
fix it, you're not
place.
using enough duct tape.
Literally just... So it doesn't
Literally,
fall
that's
out.
all you need. I mean, Christ, I had it wedged in there, and I never had a problem. So that should be fine.
Okay.
Stand back up a little look-see. Yeah.
Ah, yes.
Oh. Hey.
Lights. Break.
Yeah.
I feel like when we're doing this sort of stuff, I might start deciding to put overalls on, because I think this, every shot of me is basically a shot of my ass crack. I don't know how you fucking deal with it.
It's nothing I've never seen before.
20 minutes later.
You are the tech geek, aren't you?
Well, he seems to assume so. It's a built computer, which is not hard, it's just like a big jigsaw.
Yeah, it's quite funny because I get this. I think one person in the family will always be allocated the role. and like I've been allocated it as well.
Yeah.
And the only reason I have is because like my sister breaks everything. There we are. No, maybe not. It's that thing, isn't it?
Yeah. So is that the gap on that side?
No.
What were we saying 5 minutes ago about how this is always close together for you?
What was that?
Well, Jake's doing it, so nice when everything comes together for you.
Oh no, but that's mechanics. That's that
When
is.
you think you're safe, you're fucked.
Yep. That's a pretty good way of putting it, really. True. Tell you what, mate, looks all right. Yeah, I like that.
Oh!
It's not bad, is it? Yeah. Yep. Yep.